Here is some screenshot, and this camera is quite useful, and you can use with the different kind of modes with your PC direct, with your power bank, and you can hang anywhere, even in your dress and on your helmet. So let's unbox it. Okay guys, so this is Wi-Fi IP mini wireless camera. You can see spy camera, hidden camera, and it can detect motion and night vision, and you can see its power on off and the mode. Only two buttons this side and indicators there. And here is the micro SD card, 128 GB maximum. There's a IQ, and this is a micro USB, standard micro USB. And let's see what's inside the box. And here, let's open it. This is just standard brochure, and they write it in the English also, so if you get it, you can read it in the English. And let's see, inside the box have standard cable, micro USB, and the mounting dock magnet, so it can move. Yeah, it can move around, and this is magnetic, this standard cable. So this thing is can stick anywhere, we can mount anywhere, and it's quite strong. It's not easy to fall down, and the viewing angle is 150 degree. It's quite nice. And let's turn on, and you can see the power on. And let's try to connect with the mobile pairing mode. We can connect with Wi-Fi, and there's the internet. Let's try open the app, go to the connection, wireless Wi-Fi is turned on, and there's automatically it detects. You can check on the back the QR code. Here it is. Exactly. So I want to make a very detailed review, because a lot of people, they try to connect and sometimes they have difficulty. So let's do it here. It's connected already. So the good thing is, it's just like you can mount with your clip, with bag, with clothes, or this bike, car. It can just like GoPro replaceable. It's like a GoPro killer. Or you have Wi-Fi IP or P2P connection, like peer-to-peer connection, remote control, live streaming, watch, and now you can see it's connected. And I'm gonna show you the real footage after this, but first we just see here different mode: HD, full HD, 1080p, and let's remove. Now you can see it's more clear. The viewing angle is 150 degree optical, so it's quite smooth. I think you can see the colors, the flower. The jar color is a pinkish, yes, like that. So personally I like, because you can mount with many different ways. Here you can see, and you can record as well in the same time. Here is the voice recording. You can choose only record or the voice record, and the streaming size is not very big file. Okay, so this is a night mode. Yes, you can see it's get more brighter, but the color will be gone, but it's just like black and white kind of, but it more lighting, it's like night mode. And the video is quite smooth. The quality, even after record, it's very smooth. It's not like shaking or something. Time setting here, Wi-Fi configuration, you can use the password. So now you have to connect your camera to the Wi-Fi actually. So this is camera app, and now from this app we connecting the network. We choose the network, and now we putting the password of Wi-Fi here and click show password and save it. And it will be connect automatically whenever camera turn on. It will connect to your Wi-Fi. So now the camera is connected to your Wi-Fi. Okay. So now we seeing the viewing angle from the internet actually, not directly from the camera. So now the camera is already connected to the Wi-Fi, not to the mobile phone anymore. It will take few time just to connect, so don't have to worry, just be patient. Now you can see it's a login, right? You can see in the last is getting login, and now when we connect, when we see the footage, it will be from the online, so we can stream. And okay, and now this camera is connected to the Wi-Fi and we are looking on internet. So no matter you are outside home, you are far 10 mile or even another country, your camera is connected to the Wi-Fi at your home, and now you are looking from the internet. You can see the network when it's click on the Wi-Fi. We are connected not to the camera, but we are connecting to the internet. We are on the internet, and here you can see the camera network will become soon. So the camera is actually not connected now, and you can see here it's gonna be, yeah, here it is. So now you can record, you can, and it's quite smooth, even is connected to the internet, and the footage is very smooth. So now you can see the camera is here online. We exit the app now, and we put the camera on standby mode. Just click longer for 3 seconds mode button. 1 2 3. Okay, that's it. And now we can go to the camera app. We can go to the Wi-Fi, and I want to show you here. Let's see. It's connected to the internet, not the camera yet, but you can see the camera network. It will come, yeah, this is connected to the network at home, like Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi connection, and now is CM73. This is the network for camera, but we're not going to connect because the camera is already connected to the Wi-Fi at home. Just press button for 3 seconds and it will be turned off here. So here's the outside camera footage. The colors are okay, slightly reddish shade, but you can see the kids t-shirt and color, quite nice. And the footage is 150-degree wide angle, and you can see the blue on your left side, the blue signboard. The colors are almost accurate, but slightly I feel like reddish, slightly shade, but of course what you expect from $25 to $30 camera. I think it's a quite smooth footage. You can see yourself the movement, stability also. It's not a very shaky footage while walking also. I think it's acceptable from $20 to $30 budget camera. See you next time.